welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ty, aka glambytai, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is on some bomb ass HD lace. Okay, y'all see that? Y'all see it? Yeah, bomb. Okay, I'm super excited to bring you guys this video. I'm not sure if this is the first time I'm trying HD lace. I can't really remember. Like, I do so many wigs and I can't remember if it's my first time trying HD lace, but it is my first time trying HD lace from Wiggins hair. So this hair is from Wiggins hair. It's super bomb, super long, super thick. Okay, let me see if I can show you guys her in all her glory. But yes, one thing I noticed straight from packaging, like unpackaging, I will show you guys all of that in the video, but the hair was thick from root to end. Okay, from root to tip. Okay, thick. It is 180% density. It's 22 inches, and it is of course a 13, I believe it's 13 by 4 or 13 by 6. I'll have everything linked in the description below, so y'all go on ahead and check them out. But like I said, this is from Wiggins hair and it's super bomb. One thing that I did notice is that you get a lot of parting space, okay, from this lace. So if I'm not mistaken, let me see. Yeah, like it goes all the way back. Of course, with me, I just decided to do a side part. I'm not going anywhere today. Probably about to go get me some food because Little Bean is hungry. But yeah, I'm not gonna be doing anything today, so I figured there was no need for me to just, you know, utilize all that lace or whatever. Now this would be great if you're trying to do like a half up, half down type of style with your lace, or even just want to do like some braids, twists, whatever. Bomb. Okay, you get more than enough parting. Let me show y'all. Let me get into it real quick. Look, bomb. I did go on ahead and bleach the knots on this wig, and I plucked it myself. Which plucking, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I did pluck a little bit. Like, not a little bit, it took me a while to pluck. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, but I plucked it to perfection. Like, I plucked it to look exactly how I wanted it. When you are plucking your wigs, that is the key to making your wigs look natural, and that is completely preference. Okay, how you want your wig to look is how you pluck it to look. Keep that in mind. But yeah, I did go on ahead and just be all extra with my baby hairs today. I've never really done my baby hairs like this, and I was like, oh, let me do them like this today. I don't know, I'm just like playing around with them. But in the video, I'm gonna insert the fucking clip too, so y'all can see. I was getting frustrated. I was getting so mad with these baby hairs. Like, they did not want to lay down. They did not want to do what I wanted them to do, and I literally only show you guys me doing this side. Unfortunately, I couldn't show y'all this side because it took me too fucking long. But I just wanted to put that clip in there so y'all can see, like, it's not always easy to do these wigs. Y'all may watch my videos and y'all may think like, oh, she makes it look easy and she does it 2.5, and I really don't. It's all editing in my videos. Don't get it fucked up. It's all editing. It is not easy to lay a wig. It's not easy to, you know, lay your baby hairs, lay your edges, all of that. It's not easy, okay? But it is like doable. It's not like something that's impossible that you're never gonna be able to get. And that's why I hope that my videos are helping somebody out there do it themselves, instead of you paying all this money for a stylist to do it. You guys, if you guys want to see how I install this wig, customize it, and I did show you guys the initial unboxing of this wig. So it doesn't look like this when you first unbox it, but you can tell that the lace is very, very like blendable and everything like that, and it is HD lace. Okay, I'm done talking. I'm done rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like and comment and share this video with somebody who was trying to learn how to do their hair at home, because we need to start saving our coins. Okay, get you a cute, affordable wig and do that shit yourself. Okay, sis, period. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Okay guys, so jumping right into the video, let's do this unboxing. This hair company was actually nice to send me 2 scarves. If y'all haven't already peeped, I am wearing one of them, which, yes, bomb. Okay, we love a good scarf for nighttime to wrap our wigs up. But straight out the box, you get the wig, of course, duh. And they were kind enough, child, to put me in a pack of lashes. Okay, and them lashes was bomb. They also did send another head wrap and an elastic band so that you could apply it onto your wig. I didn't use the elastic band, but it's up to you. They also sent this cute little Wiggins hair bag to actually store your wigs in. So now for the wig, child, HD lace. We got some 22 inches, bomb. One of the things that I completely automatically noticed when I opened it up was how thick she was. Like, I was surprised. Literally thick from root to tip. Like, everything about it was more than enough. Okay, and like I said, I believe this is 150% density or 180. Either way, it'll be in the description, so you guys go ahead and check that out. But it did come with a little bit of baby hairs, and this is just me showing you guys what the HD lace looks like on my arm. It's barely detectable. Like, look at that. I wanted to put it a little bit further down on my arm because my arm's a little dark on that aspect. But yes, everything came out bomb. So I do plan on doing a very detailed plucking video for you guys, but just for today's video, I wanted to show you guys exactly how I start my plucking process and everything like that. If you guys haven't seen, I've done pretty much, I believe I've done a video on my plucking, but obviously things have changed throughout the years and I do things differently now. So my number one thing now is to pluck on a white towel. I got this from DEETS, and honestly, it's changed my wig game. Now, because this hair was super thick from root to tip and it is 180% density, it's thick. Like, the frontal is thick, okay, y'all? So what you guys are seeing me now is just pulling out the baby hair, or you know, the hairline of it, because we never pluck the hairline. I'm taking my non-slip tweezers and I'm gonna start plucking. Honestly, I would say it took me about an hour and a half to pluck, and the reason was because I went in and actually detailed plucked this unit because it was so thick. Now, a good part is it's thick. The hair is, you know, nice, flowing, boom, you get some full bomb hair. The bad part is you're gonna have to customize a little bit more because it's so thick. So boom, once all that is done, I'd already went on ahead and melted my wig cap down. I wasn't playing. I did go on ahead and add a little bit of foundation on the inside of the wig, so now you guys can see that that joint is nice, plucked to perfection, and everything is blending in with my skin. So we're gonna go on ahead and try it on real quick just to see how it's looking. And honestly, like, to be picky, like, I feel like I could have went in and plucked a little bit more, but honestly, we're just gonna leave it like this because it doesn't look too bad. Okay, I was happy with the result, and yeah. So to start installing it, y'all know I'm gonna cut it up into 4 little sections. It just makes it easier for me to install. I know sometimes that I have cut this lace off prior to me installing, but this time we did it differently. Okay, so I wanted to make sure everything was flawless with this install, so I went on ahead and used some cotton pads with some rubbing alcohol, and I'm putting the rubbing alcohol on the cotton pads, and I'm just going to clean my hairline up with that because we did use the freeze spray to mold our wig cap down, and I did apply, you know, makeup onto the wig cap, so I just didn't want anything to just like transfer over. I wanted to have a clean foundation, and of course I'm going to go on ahead and take my Ghost Bond. I'm going to be doing an updated review on my Ghost Bond because, y'all, I don't know what it is, if it's the baby and my hormones and everything like that, but the Ghost Bond started breaking me out like crazy, like just 2 days ago. So, and I never had a problem with it. Like, I ain't never been breaking out or nothing like that, and it's been breaking me out. So I'm like, oh shit, I'm gonna have to find a new lace glue or just chill off lace glue for a little bit and just start doing my wigless units. My glueless units. Dear Lord, do y'all hear me? But yeah, because I broke it up into 4 sections, y'all see me do the first section on the left, and then I'm packing that down using my comb to smooth everything out. And then I'm also taking my lace melting spray. This my go-to. This my new go-to, child. And I'm putting that on a hairline, and then we are blow drying it until everything is seamless. Now, I was kind of surprised because I only applied one layer of the fucking Ghost Bond. One layer, that's it. Like, I didn't even apply too much, or, you know, just literally one layer of it, and I tied the wig down. And that broke me out. Child, I was so like, what? Because if you guys see in my last video, I was perfectly fine. So I think it's just the pregnancy hormones just switching shit up for me. But yeah, comment down below, have you guys ever had a problem with Ghost Bond's lace glue? And also comment down below some like lace glue that you use so that I can go ahead and start trying some new ones out. I'm probably gonna start trying the bow hold adhesives. I've been hearing a lot of good things about them, so we'll see. So regardless of what lace glue you use, this is basically my same method, my go-to method, whatever. I start on one side, I completely do the whole side, and then I just work into little sections. That way I'm not, you know, overdoing it. But now when I am working on each section, I do make sure that I bring the whole hairline together. Like if you see me, I'm pulling the whole front of the hairline together, even though I am working on the right side, if that makes sense. This is just to make sure everything lines up perfectly and it doesn't look, you know, crazy or jagged or anything like that. So another one of my pro tips, child, as y'all can see, I am using the end of my rat tail comb. But when it is time, like once we blow dry this and, you know, get everything nice and clear and the glue is completely transparent, when it's time to put that lace down and actually lay that lace down, take that end of that back comb and comb it through. That way none of the hair is sticking. You definitely want to make sure your lace glue is completely clear, like transparent. You can't see it at all. And then even when I go on ahead and use my spray, I'm also combing it as well, because we just want a nice flawless install. So boom, I'm going to take one of the scarves that they gave me and I'm tying that down probably for like the next 10-20 minutes. I went on ahead and put my eye patches on, child, because now this pregnancy has me getting some bags under my eyes, okay? But look at this lace. Look at it. Bomb. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to jaggedly cut that. Is it jaggedly or word? Jaggedly? Child, don't listen to me. I can show you better than I can tell you, sis. We're just going to cut that in like a zigzag motion so we can get a nice, flawless cut, okay, when we're doing our lace. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, if you're going ahead and cut your lace prior to doing this, you are skipping this step. And it might be easier for you to cut it, you know, cut the lace off before you install the wig. It's completely optional. Maybe I'll do that for the next video. What y'all think? Okay, so now this is my favorite part. This is becoming my favorite part, child. But like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this baby hair process was not easy. So I think I'm going to do a very detailed baby hair tutorial for you guys, because I may make it look easy, child, but this shit hard. So what you guys are seeing me do right now is I'm basically parting out the hairline of that's gonna, you know, create our baby hairs or whatever. I'm flat combing, like hot combing. There we go. That's the word. Dear Lord. I'm hot combing that completely forward so that it could be nice and flat. Now, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I did try, and I'm laughing at myself because I did try like a new method to do my baby hairs. So what y'all see me doing right now is basically, you know, just parting everything, our hairline of where we're gonna, you know, have for our baby hairs. Now, boom, you see me cutting them. Completely optional. You know, you can use scissors, a razor comb, an eyebrow razor, like, you know, just something jagged so you're not getting a straight cut. Okay, then my dumb ass tried to go in. Why I try to go in with this big ass flat iron? Because I couldn't find my little itty bitty baby flat iron. Y'all, damn near almost burnt my forehead. That shit was not working. Okay, so I gave up on that. It did work for the sides because the hair was a little bit longer, but child, try to use a smaller flat iron or a little curling wand, whatever you have. You just don't use that big ass flat iron like I did. Okay, so now for creating the baby hairs, I am going to use my wrapping foam for this. and you know, you can use whichever wrapping foam. I usually use the olive oil one, but I don't have that on hand. I ran out, so this is all I got. And you just start molding your baby hairs. I do feel like this could have been 10 times easier had I had curled the baby hairs with a smaller flat iron. And as y'all can see, I got tired of the wrapping foam, and I was just like, fuck it, let me just use my Gorilla Snot. And is it Gorilla Snot? Yeah, Gorilla Snot, Gorilla Gel, glue, whatever. Not that shit that the other girl put on her head, okay? We ain't using no real Gorilla shit. But yeah, you guys, I was struggling to do these baby hairs. They just did not want to lay, and I had a feeling that it was because I flat ironed it with that big ass flat iron. So don't do what I did, child. Just don't do what I did. Y'all, I cannot fake this. I was literally fighting these baby hairs, okay? Like, I was fighting. Like, why was it so hard? Like, I was getting so frustrated. Look at me. I was getting so frustrated. I kept, like, cutting the tail of the baby hair or the end of the baby hair just to, like, get it to lay exactly how I wanted to. And that bitch it just didn't want to lay. Like, I don't know. Help me help you, y'all. I don't know, comment some techniques down below, something. But eventually, you know, the goat got it, because this is what I do. Unfortunately, I could not show you guys the whole side, but this is what the whole complete baby hair looked like. And let me tell you, after like 20 minutes of fighting with this motherfucker, it was well worth it, okay? Because they came out bomb as hell. I'm gonna tie them up for her like another 10 minutes, and then it's time for us to style the wig. When it comes to a styling, I did decide to do a side part, you know, some quick, some easy. And as y'all can see, I am basically like parting away my other side of my hair, because I'm going to use my hot comb to smooth everything out. You want everything to be seamless, nice and flat. You don't want no lumpy ass wig, child. That is not cute, okay? So I'm doing the same thing for the other side, just to make sure everything lays flat, because when I put the wig on originally, you know, everything was towards the back. And when I had hot combed it, I just was brushing it back. But yes, we're gonna get everything nice and smoothed out, and then we're pretty much done. So yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the end result. It's just a nice, crisp, clean, flat side part. You know, ain't nothing too OD. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to go on ahead and check the description out for you can see more details on Wiggins hair, and you guys will save some money on your wigs, okay? But I am done rambling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.